The best tips for succeeding in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to establish a good income with little or no overhead at all. Just a whole lot of honest hard work, dedication, and of course, good information. This video is designed to provide you with some excellent advice on the business of affiliate marketing and help you find your way in and around it to a nice, consistent profit. When finding proper keywords to market your business, you should avoid the words, terms, and phrases that are most searched. It might seem like common sense to go with the words that are receiving the biggest hits, but by doing this, you are competing in a very large market. Try to cater to niche markets, where you will be able to stand out. To find a good affiliate marketing opportunity, you should look for great products. If the products or offers used do not meet satisfying quality standards, your marketing strategy will definitely not have a good effect on customers and reflect a bad image of your company. A good product will get you some attention from customers. In order to become the best possible affiliate marketer, you will have to understand the market in which you are competing. Figure out the problems in your market and its limitations and then work to push past them. There is a wide range of free resources around the web to help you keep tabs on any market. There may seem to be 1,000,001 things to remember about affiliate marketing, so many different things to think of and take care of to cultivate your online earnings from it. Hopefully, this video has enlightened you somewhat to the complexity and confusion, and you are now ready to embark on a career change to affiliate marketing that could very well change your life. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or no SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.